Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. So today we are going to be doing some swatches, some up close swatches of the Blush Kush palette and also the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Like a Moss. It's part of the Raw Beauty Kristi collab that she did. I got both of these along with the High Tides palette and the High Tides Super Shock duos that come in that collection from my friend Karen. So I thought we would do some close-up swatches of it and just see how it looks. So let's go over to the vanity and see what I think. Right guys, so here it is. Let me just say, this packaging here is packaging goals. It just looks so romantic, so beautiful. Let's have a look. So there's no asterisks on the back of the palette that indicate that there's anything in here that wouldn't be suitable for the eye. But I don't think it has, well, I know it's not got any glitters in it. Not too sure about the sequin shades. And then again, the front of the packaging mirrors the box. It is so good. It is so nice. And then here, it's raised. It's got like a raised font. It's just beautiful. Now, I was blown away by the High Tides one. It was absolutely stunning. I feel like these aren't going to swatch as well just because they're a lot lighter. You are getting 3 sequins in this palette. A lot of people might not like that because I've heard some people say that they don't like the sequin shades. So it's the How Rouge, also Blush Wine, and then Major Blush there. I personally don't mind that. It's not going to bother me that they're there. I prefer to have those in then glitter shades. So let's see how it swatches. Also, side note, I absolutely love this as well. And then the Colourpop here is raised as well. So yeah, we're just going to go in. And as normal, I'm going to go across first. So let's go in with Lovesick. So it's like a peachy... Yeah, that's all you can say really about that. It's very peach toned. I'm going to swatch it twice. So that's it there. I apologise, you can still see some green on my hand because that High Tides was very pigmented. See if I can get rid of some of it. Right, next one is this one I wore yesterday. I went out on a date yesterday and I wore that in the inner corners. I paired it with this palette. I paired it with the Sigma Rosy, which was quite nice. So this is the Super Shock from the palette and that's what it looks like. It's very sheer. Do a couple of swatches. In fact, I'll do 3 swatches. That's that one there. These Super Shocks, so in these palettes, are all like that. They're really sheer. And at first I was underwhelmed by them, but I've gotten to like them now. They're just not as pigmented as the Super Shocks you can buy like this. These ones are quite pigmented, but I did swatch this and it came across quite sheer as well. I'll show you at the end of this video. So the next one is called The One. That's that one. And then we're moving on to the middle row. So then we've got Enamoured. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, you're only really going to get a really light look out of this. But it's good. I mean, I don't always want pigmented eyeshadow looks, so that's that. And this would have been a good palette as well to use for that date makeup that I did, sorry, not used. Then we've got Make You Blush, that one there, that sequin shade. Oh, that's a pretty shade. That's that one there. And then, oh, we've got a really lovely shimmer here. It's called Blossom Up. Kind of looks like it could have some duochromeness to it. Oh, I think that is the best shimmer in the palette. Well, I think you're only getting 2. Yeah, that is really pretty. I bet it would make a good combination if I mix both those shimmers in Armoured and Blossom Up. So if I mixed that one there and that one there, I bet it would be really, really nice. It's what I did with the Rosy palette yesterday. And then we've got How Rouge, this one here. Yeah, the mattes are blending out like a dream. Then we've got Cheek to Cheek. Gorgeous. And then the last one is called Blush Wine, and that's another sequin. So that deepens the eye look out. If you really want to go a little bit smokier, you could put that in the outer corner and through the lash line, and it would look really, really nice. But yeah, I really do like this palette on those days where I want lighter makeup or pink toned makeup. So yeah, it's really, really beautiful. And the last thing we've got to do now is swatch that Super Shock, and then we're done. I mean, how gorgeous is this packaging? Absolutely love that packaging. So again, it's called Like a Moss, and it is quite sheer, but this is the shade. I mean, look at that shade, guys. I think that would look really, really good as a one and done eyeshadow. So that's that one there. So that's all the shades. So we've got from there to there, Blush Crush, and then that's a Raw Beauty Kristi. I think they're limited, aren't they? They're like a limited edition, these Super Shocks. And I did think about getting this, so I'm glad Karen sent it to me. I was holding it the wrong way. Yeah, it says Raw Beauty Kristi here, and then it's got a little mushroom on it. So yeah, I'm really glad she got it for me. I did think about getting a palette for all of 2 seconds, but I know I wouldn't get much use out of it. It's a bit grungy for me. And you're not getting that many shimmers in there, are you? There's a lot of mattes, and the mattes look really, really dark. I thought I was going to get the new Natasha Denona Retro palette. I'm not getting it. It's got like really dark purple plum shades, and I don't really wear shades like that a lot, so I don't think I'm going to get it. But you never know. I said I wasn't going to get the Zendo palette, didn't I? And I got that. So if it was at the right price, I might get it. But for the moment, when it comes out on Look Fantastic, yeah, I'm thinking I'm not going to get it. So that's just my thoughts on that. Let me know if you're going to pick it up. Right guys, so this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm currently working on a giveaway, and it's going to go up in the next couple of weeks now. Please share, and also please comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.